In this video, I want to talk to you about being yourself. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I reply to everybody, and I will get back to you. I never forget about this song. It was something like this: just be yourself. You got to be yourself and nobody else. Just be yourself. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Just be yourself. It goes something like this. This song, I never forget this song. Back in the days, we got to be yourself, and I want to talk to you about this, about being yourself, and why it is so important, even in this, thing of making money online and just becoming the best version of yourself. Just being yourself is got to be the most important thing ever. Unapologizable. Be yourself. Be yourself. Even if you are being yourself, and imagine you're being yourself and you are wrong. Imagine you are wrong. It don't matter, because if you're being yourself and you are wrong, then when you find out that you were wrong, then you can fix it because it's within yourself, right? The thing happens nowadays is a lot of people are just not being their self. What they're doing is they're just accepting reality as it is. They're just accepting things from an external point of view and not from within. And so if something is wrong or right, because it comes from an external thing, then they have no control. Therefore, they are hopeless. They feel, this sense of not controlling. So believing in yourself, and expressing yourself within yourself, and just be yourself, it's so awesome. And what I mean by that is just believing in yourself. It's a skill you can learn. It's something that you can learn. We don't grow up knowing this, because they don't teach us this in school, that to believe in yourself. They just don't. They actually just give you tests. Like if you do bad in tests, then your self-esteem goes down. So they're actually training you not to believe in yourself. So the system is rigged against you. So what I want to give you with this video is that believe in yourself 100%. Believe in yourself, in your ability. And this is so powerful if you really can understand this concept of believing in yourself. Literally not thinking of what people think of you when you're thinking of yourself. Because, if you think for yourself and you're thinking, oh, but people is going to think this about me or that, then this is not a good way to do it. You have to really not care about what people think. And so, okay, so much been going on right here. So just be yourself unapologetically. Because the thing is, you might pull off a lot of people, meaning a lot of people will not resonate with you. And that's okay. That's okay. Let them go. You only want to have people in your life that resonate with you, that are on the same frequency as you. Because nowadays, with the events happening in the world today, there's a big split happening. There's, just to give you an idea, there's the people that are on the matrix, where they believe everything that the media tells them, and they just live on this external world. And there's other people that already know that the media and the fake news media and just out there, they're just telling lies to your vision, and they literally get out of the matrix, and they start believing in themselves. Is question everything. And then you will find your true power, which lies within yourself and not on the external things out there, right? I hope that is making sense. And so lately, because of this split happening in the world right now, because of this great awakening happening right now, which is an information warfare. It's crazy because most of the world is living in a lie, and that's okay. I'm not saying these people are bad or anything. What I want to say is that you have to believe in yourself. Believing in yourself, it's so important because once you do it, everything is going to become easy for you, right? Because change happens inside out. It doesn't come from the outside. Change happens inside, and then your inner world will dictate what your outer world will be. Very careful with what you watch nowadays. What do you consume? Because you become what you watch. You become the average of the five people you hang most of the time with, right? That's why I choose very careful to where I put my attention. What I wanted to say is just, just be yourself. It's gonna really help you along your journey. For instance, putting content out there, doing videos and things like that. Be yourself because people connect with people that are connected with themselves and that believe on themselves, that are confident. And when you're doing videos and when you are confident and you believe in yourself, people can actually see that and they connect with you on a deeper level, right? By the way, these things right here are really cool. This is alkaline things going on here. It's pretty cool. Anyways, this video is like this. I'm just, right now I'm at this place which is Praia de Vitoria. It's another city here where I live. I actually just came here a few days to stay here. I'm staying at a hostel, and yeah, just came to this place because it's so much wind right now here. And I came to this specific place because it's less wind over here, so I could do this video for you guys today. The media, they're telling lies to your vision, and if you believe everything the media says, man, you're gonna stay in the matrix, and the matrix is really, really, draining. It will take your, you'll suck your energy. So always believe in yourself. Do your research, and mostly important, the message that I want to, give to you guys today is that, just be yourself and don't really care about what people think. It doesn't matter. What matters is you. You are the most important person in this world, right? Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You got this. Stay blessed. Always believe in yourself. Have a blessing day. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, if you want, I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday about making money online and helping you become great and just give you ideas. One idea can change your life forever. Thank you so much. Have a blessing day. Oh, and by the way, the last video that I did on my YouTube channel, which is how to make money with Builderall. If you are looking to making money online, that video is really awesome. I will link that video below. There's part 1 and part 2. If you really are serious about making money, this system is working amazing at this point. Really working amazing. With that said, have a blessing day. Believe in yourself. You are great the way you are. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time. Look at this. Look at this boat over here. Man, I'm looking at a boat right there. It's so big. It's so nice. I want to buy that boat.